Okay, this is the homework. So this is number 2. We did number 3, 4, 5 in class. Okay. So, and this is the back, number 5. We end up only solving for x, okay? We didn't have to fill in the degrees. Some of my class we did fill in degrees, but after a while we're just learning how to solve for x. D is the same as B, so we cross it out. Here's how you do E and F. E, problem E. This is 180 degrees, so we set it up to 180 degrees. Okay, and these are equal. Notice these are equal, so we make it congruent to. Okay, like that. That's for F. This is for E, and it's 180 degree. So you set it up to 180, like that. So again, these two angles are congruent. That means they are the same thing. So we set it up, the equation congruent to each other, like that, and then solve it. Same thing for H. They are congruent. They're vertical angles. Notice these two angles are essentially the same. So we set up the equation where they're equal to each other like this, and then solve it from here. And then I, they're also congruent. That means they're the same. So you set it up equal to each other right here. Copy from here and here, these two together, and then solve it to find x. K is the same thing. They are congruent. So the 2x minus 30 right here, I copied here. And then x minus 33, I copied here. And they are congruent. Set them up to each other, solve it for x. Okay. Now, L, notice it's set up like a protractor. They're side by side like this, so you set it up equal to 180 like that. Solve it to find x. Same thing as M. M is equal to 180, so we get 2x here. I put it there, and then x plus 3, I put it here. Add it up to 180. So you finish solving it. Minus 3 minus 3. This is 177 equals to 3x. Divide by 3, divide by 3. Okay. So 177 divided by 3 is 5, 15, 279. So x is 59 degrees. 59. Not degrees, but okay. Where these two, if you look at it, they are corresponding angles. They are congruent. Those two there looks exactly alike. Okay, so we call this corresponding angles. They sit in the same spot, right? Anything corresponding, they're congruent. They're equal to each other. So you set it up as 4x minus 20, that's this one, equal to or congruent to 3x plus 100, right? So you solve that by minusing 3x, minusing 3x. You get 1x minus the 20, congruent to 100. Add 20, add 20. 120 equal to 1x. And if you divide by 1, it's the same thing, so x is 120. That doesn't quite work. It wouldn't make sense in that degree anyways. But where these guys, see, it sits side by side, so it makes a protractor. And a protractor, as I mentioned in class, is 180 degrees, so you make it equal to 180. Okay, so you get 2x. Put a plus there. 2x minus 4 equals 180. You combine these two, which are alike, you get 4x minus 4 equals to 180. Add 4, you get 184 equals to 4x. That's 0 plus 4x, divide by 4. So 184 divided by 4, you get 4, 16, 2, 4. 4 into 24 is 6 times. So x is 46. Okay, and that's P. So that's all that. I hope that's helpful for you. Okay, and that's the homework there. So if you didn't see this one, this is letter C, this is B, this is A. So making sure you see all the stuff. All right.